I will unbox something from Elgato. Now, if you've not heard of Elgato, well, you may be living under the tree, because every gamer knows an Elgato, because they do some of the best streaming gear there is, in my opinion. So this is Elgato. I spend my own money on this, because I do have an Elgato system. I have a Wave XL on a Steam Deck. With the bottom matter, I quite like that, but I've had a lot of issues. I don't know if it's hardware issues, I don't know if it's software issues, I get random crashes, so. But then they brought out something new, and I thought, yes, this is going to replace two of my products for one. Less wired and more space in the desk. Win-win. So, this is Steam Deck Plus, which we've all probably heard of by now. And then XLR dock. What? So, bye. So yeah, so this is what this is going to be like. So let's quickly unbox this. I have used this in the past, and this is in my private life. Yes, I do have a private life. And I use this pretty much all the time in the setup. And I really like it. And that made me thinking, yes, I think I should buy this. So, we've all seen a Wave XLR. If you've not heard it, it's a micro key with some streaming gear, with some audio gears. Ooh. And crash. Perfect. Nice Elgato symbol. So what do you get? Oh, just a button. I think that's where the cable is. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I think I broke it. No, I haven't. Just don't say I broke it. Oh, so that must be a manual, and then a nice cable. Perfect. And then nice shiny screen. Perfect, with all the buttons there. Now, I've not checked any reviews. I've only seen one review. Are you in here? Oh, there's a manual. We don't need manuals. You'll do it. So, this works with Mac and Windows. It's a Elgato website. And then they brought out this. And I wish Elgato. This is very recyclable. I quite like the recycling guy. Saving the planet. Yes, this is all wins. But come on. You have a product like this on the shelf. You got a product like this. Immediately, where did your eyes go? Immediately. Survey says, this one. Elgato, please make it this more. And I don't understand costs, but having multiple layers of this probably is all cost money. Like having an image here, the render, making the image package nice. This is all going through. So is it? So I'm just got a brown box going. Yeah, that'll do. Well, okay, that. And there's probably not much cost in this. But I'm reviewing the product, not the packaging. Oh, that's nice. Kind of a rant. Saving the planet and having nice. And I understand saving the planet. We want to save our planet. This is where we will live as human beings. We don't want any plastic because that's not good for the environment. And I understand why companies do this. It saves costs, it saves the environment, because everybody's on this. Save the planet! But I don't know. Maybe we're so used to shiny boxes, and it's not very beautiful, and then suddenly it's. So manual. We'll probably do need to read this. I'm going to read this. and then some plastic material. I get it. I get it. So, oh, that's quite nice. So, it's got a. So apparently this goes like measure like this. Okay, so let's do this in real time. My editor, i.e. me, will make sure this is done in one. So first of all, let's read the manual. Unscrew these two screws here, which is A and B, just at the bottom. That undocks. Okay, so quite simple. So, of course, I have my trusted screwdriver, always on handy. One thing I realized during this channel, another side rant, is you always need a screwdriver at hand. I have two of these. I wish I had my blue one. This one lives on my desk. But my blue one is the one I like the most. So apparently this goes like this. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, so that wasn't its difficult cut. It's software size. I don't know how I'm going to show the software size. That's okay. So apparently this goes like so. Oh, okay, nice satisfying click. Oh, how's my audio? I have this new Lavray microphone I bought from Amazon. I think it was Amazon Basics. So if the audio is good, that's good. I do have a backup because I don't know what's going on with the audio, so I have backup just in case. Because you always need a backup. Going to that, my monitor, i.e. because the DJI does have a monitor system inbuilt, it is picking me up fine. So not too tight. So it's got a XLR port, which hit USB-C and microphone. And that's it. Quite a snazzy system, quite compact. It's just got a giant weight in it. Okay, so this will go, let's put this in this box. Perfect. And we'll wrap it up because I think the whole bundle costs, at the moment it's on promotion, so I think it's about £300 for the whole lot. It's saying a lot, but considering the price of A, the B, pictures and prices on the day I edit this will be on screen now. I think if you add that to total, I don't know what the total cost is, I'm sorry. We'll do that. I think that's quite good. Anything else in the manual? No, just about the configuring software. So I need to download Wavelink and Steam Deck, which I already have. The microphone goes in the Elgato, and then I got a headphone 3.5mm jack. Yeah, so I like the packaging. I like the manual. It's quite basic. I'll show some footage of the software side and the hardware side now, if I ever get it. So, what do I think of this product? Now, I've used this in the past. I like it. For my personal life, I'm getting too much into it. Because I think YouTubing and personal life should always keep separate. This is a very good system because it has your audio system, it has a button for different scenes. This is all touchscreen. This is very good. I like this. I really like this. This is why I bought. They wanted one. I looked into it. I thought, yeah, this is exactly what they needed. And then I started playing with it, and then thought, Yeah, I want one now. And then I found another website that were like, oh, we're hinting we're going to get one of these. So I think ideally I want two, so you get one with a USB. So I would have two. That's the end goal, but for now I want to play one with this and try it out. Make sure, in my head, I have different mic for my headsets, my gains, and all my different scenes, all my different volume controls I use. And I like to control each of them because I don't like using the software. The software is good. The Wavelink is a really polished software. It needs some tuning, like every software, but that's maybe on the config side, it might be on the software side. I don't know. I honestly don't know. So yeah, this is the Steam Deck XLR. Links in the description where you find this from the Goto website. I will try it. This is too new for Amazon. It's not yet been matured enough for Amazon yet. It will eventually get there. So, and then always, have a great day. And I'll see you next video. Goodbye.